Alright, so here we go. So all you need is a flathead. It's a slight gap right here. You get in that little groove, you'll push up. It'll fit in. You'll pry that way. It'll pop straight out. You got one of these little connections. Same deal. Either with the flathead, push down, or you can use your fingers. Squeeze down like that. And this will pull out. See if I can do it with one hand. It's kind of tough. There we go. So yeah, one hand to pop out. The new projector, it'll pop back in the same way, like so. Wire side in first, push up, and then it's good to go. So hopefully the light comes in tonight and I can click over to what this look like at night. So give me a second. Alright, so I'm back. Got worried for a second. This plug did not fit, and then I figured out it's another plug on the back, kind of on the top. What I'm worried about is it did like a little, kind of felt like it had a little short going to it, so I don't know what that's about. But I'm gonna slide this in and snap it in place. There we go. And you can tilt this, so face it this way or face it that way. But plug right in, F Sport. It's been a couple weeks, so I really forgot what logo I even had, but yeah, so that's that. Hop to the other side so y'all can see that real quick. And yeah, give me a second. But yeah, so this is what I was looking at first. This little square plug, this rectangle one. But I didn't realize it's a plug on the back side too, so look out for that. They're lucky it's Friday, because I was about to show hit that refund and return button on eBay, but we good. Just make sure this is aiming how I want it. Put that down. This goes back in like so. Little snap right there. You just push it up, and you're in there. So yeah, F Sport, pretty easy to do. Yeah. Save these just in case. If any of these blow out, I can at least throw a light back in there. But yeah, pretty dope. And just a heads up, if you got one of these and you don't want to do the full swap to get this little thing, this little cover right here will pop off. And so I'm gonna need two hands, but you're gonna pry right here and that'll pop up. So give me a second. Alright, so yeah, so once you pry that up, this comes up and out, and you can see the bulb. So this is a 168 bulb, so if you want to just swap this out for an LED, just pull straight out, drop an LED bulb in it, snap it out back up, if you don't want to do those. So just a heads up. And then it just snaps back down in place. Alright, so here we go. It's finally got dark. This light popped on. I forgot about that, but you can still see it. Door logos are in. They are a lot brighter than I thought. So, got driver side, passenger side, same deal. Yeah, not bad. So, quick little 5-minute install. Let me know what y'all think.